Hey guys, we're back with another cooking video, and today we're making a really healthy breakfast snack or any kind of a snack. It's called Upma, and for this you'll need these ingredients, and I'll list them all down below, so please be sure to check them out. And I'll also list some quantities. The one thing that I didn't mention or show in the photo was the ghee or clarified butter. You want to take a tablespoon or two of that. And to this, we're going to add some cashew pieces and some peanuts. And we're just going to roast them till they're about goldenish, pinkish goldenish. Pinkish goldenish brown. And we see that color changing, so we want that to sort of happen. It does take time, so just be a little bit patient with that. And then after this is sort of that, darkish sort of a color, we're going to add in some mustard seeds and some cumin seeds, and I'm just adding them both together, and with that some curry leaves as well. And then once all of that splatters, you want to add in your suji or semolina, and then we're also going to roast this. So see how it's a nice whitish sort of a color at the moment, so we want to make it a little bit darker. So around, again, pinkish brownish. We want it to be properly roasted, and you can see like it's also sort of just a little bit shrunk as well. So once you have that, you can take it out. So I just have a little pan on the side where I'm just going to dump all of this, and then we're going to let it cool a little bit. It's not necessary, and you can completely avoid this step and just add the water in, but because I wanted to add some veggies in there, so I'm actually just going to again add some clarified butter. And then as soon as that heats up, I'm going to add in my onions and some green chilies. You can also add in green peas, carrots, literally anything that you wish you can add into this. My husband just likes these two things, so that's what I'm doing today. So we're just going to sort of continue, roasting or cooking the onions till they're a little bit translucent. And then once that's done, we're going to add in our roasted semolina or suji. So we're going to add all of that to all at once. And then to this, we're also going to do some seasoning. So the only thing you need to do, this is really, really simple. We're adding some salt and some lemon juice. The lemon juice is a little bit to your preference. If you like it a little bit more sour, you can add in a little bit more. And if you feel like you don't like it that soury taste, then you can definitely just add a little bit less. So I am doing about, I want to say 2 to 3 tablespoons. We tend to like a little bit tangier taste, so I've taken a juice of about half a lemon here, and I'm just adding that into the mix. You want to be mindful of the control of the stovetop. Right now when I'm adding ingredients in, I usually put it on the lowest flame, and then I'll bring it back up to like low medium or even just a medium. So again, we're just going to mix that in, and then after this we're going to add in the water. So the amount of semolina that you've taken, you want to double the water. The water will get absorbed, and it's going to become like a nice sort of a solid texture. So we're going to continue stirring while this happens, because we don't want it to stick at the bottom of the pan as well. And I'm just using a regular aluminium pan here. Something of a little bit of a hack, and I do this when I'm in a hurry, is I will add in my onions while I'm cooking my cashews and peanuts. The only reason why I separated them today is because, one, I had time to. The peanuts and the cashews tend to become really, 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 really dark and very sort of burnt flavor, and I don't like that. So you just have to kind of judge how you want to do it. You can definitely add in onions a little bit earlier before they start browning, and that way everything will get cooked together. It's just personal preference. So if you have the time, do it this way because it is amazing. But there you go, that's the consistency that you're after, and then it's time to plate. So to plate it, I haven't shown it to you here, but take a small bowl and just fill it all up. And then once you've done that, just sort of flatten everything, and then just plate it into a bigger bowl. Just turn it upside down and then lift the bowl, and that's what happens. And here's hubby for you. Very hot.
Nice, really good upma. Very healthy, very light and very filling. Thank you for watching.